Okay guys, obviously that failed. I screwed up, but that's okay. I'm gonna send that video out first, so you should get this one second. But here we go. Number one on your emergency plan, day one, okay? Emergency plans, day one. Look at that. It's just like talk to text. I spoke and my hand wrote it. And it did better than talk to text. It didn't even screw up any of the words. So, hey, here we go. All right, so order of operations. Do you remember PEMDAS? Some people say, please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. And y'all remember I said pandas eat muddy dogs after sunset. It doesn't matter how you remember it. Some people actually remember it as PEMDAS. However you wish to try to remember it is fine. It doesn't really make any difference as long as you have the order right. Now, P is parentheses. E is exponents. M and D is multiplication and division. You see how they're on the same line? The fact that they're on the same line says that they are to work left to right. However they come in the problem, work them left to right. And then we have addition and subtraction. And they are on the same line, so they work from left to right. Okay, so that means if subtraction comes first in the problem, you work the subtraction first. But remember, we always start with parentheses. So let's look. We've got an 18 times 2, that's 36. And then we divide by the 1 plus 6 minus 1 to the third. Oh boy, we've got parentheses, but we have an exponent. Well, within the parentheses, we have to do the exponent. So 1 to the third gets done first. Luckily, that is just 1. 1 times 1 times 1 is 1. So we're looking at now 1 plus 6 minus 1. Now remember, with addition and subtraction, we go left to right. 1 plus 6 is 7, minus 1 is 6. So we have 36 divided by 6. 36 divided by 6 is simply 6. That's your answer. Yay, us. We got that one. All right. Now I went ahead and did I'm doing number 2 for you as well. Look at that long problem. 8 minus 6 in parentheses divided by parentheses 4 minus 2 parentheses minus times 2. Well, we've got to do in parentheses first. Oh, so let's go ahead and just do the first one. 8 minus 6 is 2. Yay. Divided by. Look at this. In this parentheses, we've got to get this one first because it's parentheses within parentheses. Why do we do that? I don't know. But we're doing it. 4 minus 2 is 2. So that's gone. So we have, again, 4 minus 2, which is 2. Look at there. So we had 4 minus 2 in parentheses, which is 2. And then that gave us 4 minus 2 in the outer parentheses, which is 2. And then we bring down our times 2. Here's a perfect example of our MD, multiplication division, left to right. That means do not go and find the multiplication first. It means you have to do the division first. 2 divided by 2 times 2. All right? So 2 divided by 2 is 1 times 2. I use these. 2 divided by 2 is 1 times 2 is 2. There's your answer. If you had done it in a different order, if you'd have done 2 times 2 is 4, that would be 2 divided by 4, which would be 1/2. That's a big difference from 2. So please be careful and do the order of operations as we've discussed. This is recorded, so you can go back and look at any of this, watch it over and over and over, go back over it, however you need to do it. But I've done 1 and 2, but I'm going to do one more, which is 11. 11 was very challenging. Look at this. We've got parentheses, we've got exponents outside of parentheses. This one's kind of ugly. So what do we do first, guys? Right, we do the parentheses first. So that's the 5 minus 3, which is 2, yes? I'm going to rewrite this. 6 minus 2 to the second power plus 5 to the second power. Now let's do our exponents. 2 squared is 4. 5 squared is 25. So we now have 6 minus 4 plus 25. Now again, we don't go find addition first, even though addition comes first in our list. We work them left to right, however they come in the problem. So down here, 6 minus 4 is 2, plus 25 would equal 27. That gives you 3 excellent examples for you to play with. You can go back and watch this video as many times as you want. Feel free to contact me on Remind or through my Canvas email. I would prefer on Remind because it will alert me and I'll know exactly what you need and when you need it. Thanks a lot, guys. Have a great day.